Did you know that AI could replace up to 40% of jobs by 2025? That's not science fiction, it's a prediction backed by experts, and the shift has already begun. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's reshaping our world. From how we communicate, shop, and even work, automation is creeping into industries everywhere. So today, we're tackling a big question. Will AI take your job? And if so, what can you do about it? Let's face it, job security isn't what it used to be. With AI systems capable of generating articles, analyzing legal documents, and even diagnosing diseases, many are asking, where does that leave us? Roles in customer service, data entry, and even basic coding are already being automated. Companies are turning to AI for efficiency, cost savings, and scalability. But here's the problem. Millions are unprepared. The job market is shifting faster than schools, training programs, or governments can keep up. And if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. So which industries are most at risk? Manufacturing, where robots have already replaced thousands on factory floors. Retail, with self-checkout systems and AI-driven inventory management. Customer support, replaced by AI chatbots handling thousands of queries instantly. Finance, where robo-advisors now help manage portfolios without human input. Accounting and legal, with AI scanning contracts faster than any paralegal. Even the creative fields aren't safe. Designers, video editors, and writers are now collaborating with AI or competing with it. But here's the twist. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's also creating them. New roles like prompt engineers, AI model trainers, human AI collaboration managers, and algorithm auditors. The key? Reskilling and adapting. Those who learn to work with AI will lead the future. Think of AI not as a threat, but as a tool. The question isn't, will AI replace my job? It's, how can I use AI to become irreplaceable? The AI revolution is here, and it's moving fast. Yes, some jobs will vanish, but others will evolve. The only constant is change, and the winners will be those who keep learning, stay curious, and adapt. So what do you think? Is your job safe from AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, check out my other videos on future skills, tech trends, and how to outsmart the machines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.